5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
50 amazing space facts. Number 50. An astronaut's spacesuit costs around $12 million. Number 49. You can't cry in space because your tears will never fall. They just ball up around your eyes. Number 48. One day on Pluto is equivalent to 6 days and 9 hours on Earth. Number 47. Jupiter has 64 moons orbiting it. Number 46. 33 light years away is an exoplanet completely covered in burning ice. Number 45. Astronauts in space can't tell if their bladders are full. They are trained to relieve themselves every 2 hours or they will more than likely wet themselves. Number 44. In 1963, a cat named Felicity became the first feline in space. Number 43. The Great Wall of China is not actually visible from space, but China's air pollution is. Number 42. NASA scientists have discovered stars that are cool enough to touch. Number 41. There are approximately 200 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy, and an estimated 1 billion trillion stars in just the observable universe. Number 40. Our solar system takes 225 million years to rotate around the Milky Way. The last time the Earth was in its current position, dinosaurs were just beginning to roam the Earth. Number 39. NASA is developing 3D printed pizzas for astronauts. Number 38. Sex is banned aboard the International Space Station. Number 37. Mercury and Venus are the only two planets in our solar system that do not have any moons. Number 36. Inside an astronaut's helmet, there is a Velcro patch that serves as a scratcher. Number 35. If two pieces of the same metal touch in space, they will bond and be permanently stuck together. This is called cold welding, and it does not happen on Earth because oxygen molecules cover the metal's surfaces. Number 34. 99% of our solar system's mass is the Sun. Number 33. The Apollo astronauts' footprints on the moon will probably stay there for at least 100 million years. Number 32. Apollo 13, Armageddon, and Around the World in 80 Days are among the movies NASA keeps aboard the International Space Station for astronauts to watch. Number 31. All of space is completely silent. Number 30. Neil Armstrong claims he said one small step for a man when he set foot on the moon. An audio analysis of the recording backs that up, and he's been misquoted this entire time.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Number 29. Russians take guns into space to protect themselves from bear attacks in case they land off course in wild Siberia. Number 28. While floating in lunar orbit, astronaut Al Worden was 2,235 miles away from his companions, making him the most isolated human being ever. Number 27. According to the best estimates of astronomers, 275 million new stars are born every single day. Number 26. John F. Kennedy had such concerns about the space program's high cost that he proposed partnering with the Soviet Union on a joint expedition to the moon. Number 25. If we had a sufficiently powered and precise telescope and a large enough mirror perfectly placed 22 light years away, we could potentially have watched the Apollo moon landings in real time in 2014. Number 24. We could fit around 1 million Earths inside the Sun. Number 23. The first man-made object in space was the German V2 rocket. Number 22. The tallest mountain in our solar system is on Mars. It's called Olympus Mons and is a massive 24,000 meters or 80,000 feet tall. To put that into perspective, Mount Everest is only 8,848 meters high. Number 21. NASA has a list of accurate space technology terms that writers can use for science fiction films and stories. Number 20. In 3 billion years, our Milky Way galaxy will collide with its nearest neighbour, the Andromeda Galaxy. Number 19. A year on Venus is shorter than a day on Venus. Venus is the slowest rotating planet in our solar system, so it takes longer to fully rotate than it does to complete its orbit of the Sun. This means Venus has days that are longer than its years. Number 18. NASA engineers asked Sally Ride, the first American woman in space, if 100 tampons were the right number for her 7-day trip to space. Number 17. Astronauts on the International Space Station exercise 2 hours every day. They do this because the human body will decay over time in space due to the lack of gravity, and only vigorous exercise can stop this. Number 16. A sample of Sir Isaac Newton's apple tree was sent into space to defy gravity. Number 50. Lakia, the first dog in space, did not die peacefully as initially reported by the Soviets. She died because the cabin overheated. Number 14. A spoonful of neutron star would weigh around 1 billion tons. Number 13. The International Space Station is the size of a football field. Number 12. Humans can live unprotected in space for around 30 seconds, as long as they don't hold their breath. Number 11. Scientists estimate there to be around 170 billion galaxies in the observable universe, with each galaxy containing roughly 500 solar systems. Number 10. It is impossible to whistle in a spacesuit. Number 9. Saturn's rings are not solid. They are made up of bits of ice, dust and rock. Number 8. Cockroaches raised in space become quicker, stronger, faster and tougher than cockroaches on Earth. Number 7. On Earth, the International Space Station weighs 925,000 pounds, or more than 11 semi-trucks worth. In space, it weighs almost nothing. Number 6. American astronauts have been able to vote in elections from space since 1997. Number 5. On August 10th, 2015, NASA astronauts ate food that had been grown in space for the first time. Number 4. We are all made of stardust. Now this might sound stupid, but the reality of it is that almost every element found on Earth was created in the burning core of a star. All the stuff that makes up life on Earth, everything in our bodies, is made from stardust. The astronomer Carl Sagan said, "The nitrogen in our DNA, the calcium in our teeth, the iron in our blood, the carbon in our apple pies, were made in the interiors of collapsing stars. We are made of star stuff." Number 3. The brain is the most complex object in the known universe. Number 2. Our universe could potentially be infinite, or it could be finite. Chances are we humans will never truly know just how large our universe is because it is potentially just too large to find out. Number 1. There could be up to 500 million planets capable of supporting life in our galaxy. So next time you're looking up at the night sky, just think there could be some kind of living creature staring right back at you on another planet. Well, that's it. 50 amazing space facts. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like and comment down below which fact you thought was the best. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for even more content just like this uploaded every week. Our next video will be about dreams, so stay tuned for that. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.